Welcome to our 9-week Chakra Balancing Course. Over the next 9 weeks, we're going on a journey to balance your energy system. This is not just merely theory. This is a practical hands-on course. So why do we need chakra balancing? That's the first question. See, most of us in the modern society live in constant imbalance. Stress at work, tension in relationship, sometimes financial struggle, health problems, anxiety, and lack of direction in life. And we often believe that these problems come from outside, our boss, the economy, our partners, or the world around us. But what if the problem runs deeper? What if the root cause of the problem doesn't lie in your circumstances, but in your pranic body? See, there are two worlds each of us live in. One is the outside world, your career, your relationship, health, and material life. And then there is this inner world, your energy system, the chakras of your body. And in yoga, we believe that the outside world is a replica, a mirror of your inner world. See, your inner world is organized through 7 chakras. The root chakra, the first one, is at the bottom of the spine. It provides the grounding. It's the earth element. Then we go on to the sacral chakra, Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana is related to your water element. The third one is your solar plexus. Your Manipura chakra is related to your sun, fire element. It's your ambition. Then we go up towards the Anahata chakra, heart chakra, and it's related to air element. And then we eventually go all the way to the throat chakra, which is related to the space element, Akash. So these are the 5 elements which represent your first 5 chakras. When these elements are grounded, when these elements are balanced, you feel strong, you feel grounded, and you feel confident. But when these elements are out of balance, then, my friends, challenges show up every area of your life. Let's go on to the root chakra. What happens when the earth element is imbalanced in you? It shows up as insecurity. It shows up as uncertainty in your life, fear, financial struggles, and health instability. And now let's talk about the sacral chakra, the water element. When water element is imbalanced in your body, it shows up emotional instability, broken relationships, and sometimes addiction to certain things. And now solar plexus, the fire element, when there is an imbalance in your fire element, it shows up as anger. It shows up as over-ambition. It sometimes shows up in indigestion. Or it could be on the other side, when the fire element is low, you have low self-esteem, lack of drive. And now let's come on to the heart chakra. When the air element, my friends, is imbalanced in your body, it shows up as deep grief in your heart, loneliness, as inability to give and receive love. And as we go to the throat chakra, when the space element becomes imbalanced in your body, what happens? Communication blocks, fear of not getting heard. And when your third eye is blocked, my friends, then you are lost. You feel disconnected from your purpose, from your intuition, and you just feel spiritually empty. So in this course, in this next 9 weeks, we are going to align these chakras through aligning and balancing these elements through mudras, breath, pranayamas, yoga exercises, and through guided meditations. After 9 weeks, when these elements starts to become balanced, you'll realize that your relationships flow with love, your outside circumstances become better, your finances become stable, your health strengthens, and your mind becomes clear and you become emotionally stable. The first week, you get to identify your imbalances. And once you identify your imbalances, you see how these imbalances show up in your life. Week 2 to week 8 will focus on each chakra, starting from the root all the way to the crown chakra. Each week, you'll receive a 30 to 45 minute yoga session designed to bring balance in that chakra. It'll be complemented with breathwork, pranayama, guided meditation, and mudras. And week 9 is all about integration. We'll bring this knowledge into our body and we get to embody this knowledge. So this course is your opportunity to bring your inside world, inner world, and your outer world in perfect harmony. I am Abidugal, and I'd like to welcome you guys to this chakra balancing journey. See you in the course.